And since we've abandoned any pretense of fiscal discipline and we're piling on more debt, we are on the edge of the abyss, and we're going to fall into that abyss. And I don't know exactly when it happens or how it happens, but renewing your threats against nations with tariffs, reinvigorating the wars overseas and continuing to fight the ones that we've got. All of these things are going to coincide with problems here at home with the financial system. You know, jobless claims are up. The real estate market is grossly overpriced. So is the stock market. Everybody says, well, the stock market's way up. Remember that stocks, investments are emotional events. Right. People emote. It doesn't matter what reality is until reality bites you. And when reality bites, everything is over. But for the moment, it's all emotion. And when President Trump made the statement, I'm going to appoint someone to replace Jerome Powell who will cut interest rates, everybody goes to the market and buys, and the market goes up. But we don't control interest rates. The market controls interest rates. Why would we be able to hold interest rates down with the Fed and then watch yields rise in the bond market? You can't explain that except to recognize that what the Fed is doing is no longer meaningful to people that we're asking to invest in our bonds. And that's why this new strategy hatched by Secretary of the Treasury Bessent to avoid the bond disaster is underway. Now, I don't think it's going to work. I think the bond market is going to explode. The foreign investment that we need to sustain ourselves is not coming in.